Hey everybody, Ben here with Diesel Power Products, and today we are talking about these ReadyLIFT coil spacers for you 5th gen Dodge Ram guys. That's going to be 2019 to current Dodge Ram 25 and 3500 pickups that are 4-wheel drive. So, what is a spacer? A spacer is going to fit on top of the coil spring on the front of your truck to give you a little bit more altitude in the front. A lot of times this is going to be a leveling spacer. This is going to put the front just about equal to the back. If you don't know what I'm talking about, trucks from the factory typically have a little bit of a rake, meaning the back sits higher than the front. Most people kind of like to go with the look of a leveled truck rather than a raked truck. To each their own, but I am a fan of leveled trucks. As far as comprehensiveness of this kit, it's very basic. As far as leveling the truck, this is as basic as it gets. If you are planning to do larger wheels and tires, and maybe you want to do a bigger suspension in the future, but it's time for tires now and need to get a leveled truck, this is a great option for you. If you're looking to just try out leveling the truck and you're not sure how you want to go with it yet, this is a great option. Again, this is the most economical way and safest way to level your truck without breaking the bank. These things are built extremely tough. It's all, I believe everything's over a 1/4 inch thick. I want to say 7mm thick steel. The warranty on this is basically you can break this, good luck. And those are the kind of warranties I like. A couple of quick notes on there as far as fitment goes. If you're wanting to put this on an ambulance, not going to work on that. Or if you do have the snow plow package on your truck, these are not built for that either. So if you're trying to lift the front of those up, we do have some other options for you. Usually going to include an actual spring rather than just a spacer. So if you have any questions on this or want to get this going, we have tons of ways to get a hold of us. We have sales technicians on the phone at 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday. They're happy to answer any questions you may have. You can hit us up on the social medias. You can use the chat feature on the website. You can email us. Whatever works well for you, we are here to answer questions. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.